Okay, so for number 3, I put C.
So did I.
I did B for number 4.
Right.
5 was kind of tricky.
D, right?
But yeah, I put D for that one. And then for 6, this is what I'll screen share real quick. Let me show you what. This is what I came up with, and the residuals are right here. So I put A for that first one for 6. That one for 6. As far as the QQ plot,
did you figure out how to make that one?
I think I might need the other program.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, actually, maybe I don't. Hold on. Downloaded something.
Okay.
Aha. Okay, QQ plot.
Hey guys.
Hey Ronnie.
Hi.
Sorry, I lost track of time there.
That's okay.
We started already.
Alright. I'm just getting everything pulled up.
Okay. There we go. This is what the QQ plot looks like. See if I can. Alrighty, so there is the QQ plot.
That's not normally distributed.
They don't look
clearly not normal.
What the heck is that?
Oh my gosh.
Sorry. Somebody's dying.
Yep, apparently. It's funny.
Okay, what number are we on?
We're on number 7.
7. Okay.
We can go over the first 6 with you at the end if you want, Ronnie.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so we did the scatter plot, and we could do residuals plot. Where did we?
Okay. Mm.
Let's say there's a linear relationship.
Because the QQ plot was not normal?
No, because the actual scatter plot
Was normal?
Was normal. Like it has a positive linear relationship.
Okay. And I think for the QQ plot, it's normal if it's all super random. Oh wait, no. No, the residual plot is normal if it's all super random.
Yeah.
The QQ plot is supposed to be normally distributed in like a line. So.
Okay, so you're saying for number 7 that the residuals are clearly not normal?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
He made the graph and they were just like all over the place.
Yeah.
Is that still being shared with you guys?
Yeah.
That screen?
So is number 6 off the same graph?
Number 6 is, no, 6 is off of this. Let me show you.
It's just like a list of data.
Right here. This one.
So they just form a linear pattern?
Yeah, so if I just do add trend line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I feel like because of the residual, and now I'm confused. Because for one plot, it's normal for it to go in a line, and then for the other plot, it's normal for it to be all scattered. You know?
Yeah. So I'm not sure.
I don't get number 8 like at all.
It's basically asking us, so there's the 5 assumptions that need to be met.
Oh, is that what they are?
Yeah, so it's that yellow box like in 3.5.
Oh yeah, I see that. Okay.
Yeah.
So the scatter plot that we made, is that what's showing on your screen right now?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the residual plot, there was no pattern, so it is linear. And then okay, so we checked the first two, right?
Yeah.
A and B. And then how do we check C? The variance of the error term is constant for all values of X. No megaphone shape.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we would check that one?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
Well,
because we didn't actually have a residual plot, we just have a QQ plot.
Oh. I thought we looked at the residual plot. Didn't you make one?
Once you have already entered in. Okay, to make a residual plot. Okay, let me make this. Hold on real quick. Here we go. And then click on insert, and then click on scan. Okay. Cool. Hold up. And There we go. Okay, this right here, do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That is the
Okay.
residual plot.
So that means that our linear relationship is linear. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let me look in the book. So there's no megaphone shape. So we would check the C, and then for D, X's should be measured accurately and precisely.
So I just did the first two and the last two.
You checked the first two and the last two?
Right.
What about C?
C is the variance of the error term is constant, and that one.
Wait,
hold on. Which one is the requirement? Normal error term. What is that?
Oh.
Normal error term.
Oh, I was looking at number 3.
Yeah. So that one.
Constant variance. Oh. Oh no, I'm confused.
Observations are independent. Constant.
Can I see the QQ plot again? Do you still have it?
Yeah, let's see.
Okay.
So this is the QQ plot.
So for normal error term, what you hope to see is points in the QQ plot are close to the line. And they're not. So therefore, we wouldn't check C, right?
Right, that's what I think that they're trying to...
Okay. Okay, great. And then you said you checked the last two also?
Yeah, because it says we cannot directly...
That's fine then. Cool beans. Alright, let's move on to number 9 then. What is B1, the estimate for the slope?
So I got 12.725.
725. Okay. And what about the confidence interval?
For B1, right?
Uh-huh.
It is 10.708 and 14.742.
Okay, great. That's letter A. And based on the evidence and using the level of significance of 0.05, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test for beta 1? So, do you have the p-value?
The p-value... They just have the r and the r squared value.
Okay, let me look in the book.
Oh yeah, here's the p-value for B1, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's way lower, so we're good.
Okay, so what letter is that?
It's reject the null.
So
it's B. Yeah, B.
Because the p-value is less than
alpha. The significance, okay. Yeah.
Okay, number 12. If you reject the null, what does it mean?
I put C. There's sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0.
Okay, that makes sense.
Destroying crocodile data.
Well, okay. That's random. We haven't used that in the entire quiz.
Let's see.
Just throwing that in there.
There we go. Okay, it's asking for the what?
The dependent variable. Dependent variable. And is it head length or body length? That's what it's asking. It talks about it in the book, that set of data, a little bit.
That should be, because yeah, I can't figure out where it.
Okay, let me read for a second.
Okay, so we're looking for what? The explanatory value? Or
The dependent variable for that.
The dependent variable is body length.
Okay.
Because the 3.1, if you look at the scatter plot, the dependent variable is on the y-axis.
Oh, of course. Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and then
let me read in the book.
I think it's A, but I'm not sure.
Do you know where it talks about that in the book? Is it 5.1 and 2? That's where I'm looking right now.
Okay.
Okay, well, I know from reading that you can't have negative intervals, which we don't, so that's good.
Yeah.
Why would it be A? What does 0 have to do with the confidence interval?
Well, under the review, it shows like B1 equals 0, B1 not equal to 0.
Oh, okay.
Does that have anything to do with it? Like under section 6?
Maybe. I don't know.
We conduct a hypothesis test on bivariate data to know if there's a linear regression between two variables. So the appropriate hypothesis for this test is HO B1 equals 0, HA B1 not equal to 0.
That's for hypothesis test, and we're doing confidence intervals.
Yeah.
Oh.
I was just looking at section 5, and there's really nothing under that I can see that would be of help. I think you're right. I think it is A. Because of what Ronnie said, the null and alternative hypotheses are equal to 0 and non-equal to 0.
Okay.
So I'm going to put that.
Sounds good. Did you want to go over any of these, Ronnie?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I have to go, guys. I'll see you later.
See ya.
Bye.
Yeah, just 3, 4, and 5, I guess. Wait, for 11 and 12, what did we say again?
We said B for 11 and C for 12.
Reject the null. Okay. Okay, so
So which one are you on now? 3?
For number 12, wouldn't it be there sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression line is 0?
No, because you rejected the null. The null hypothesis is B1 equals 0.
Oh, okay, I see. So number 3, the true linear regression,
which is what we were just talking
null
about.
and external hypothesis. Oh, okay. So that's just B1 equals 0, B1 is not equal to 0?
Yeah.
Okay, and then a residual is, I'm not sure what that. Oh my gosh, I'm a freaking headache right now. So, sorry.
Number 4 is just in the book.
Difference between the observed value of y and the value that would. So, what is the residual? Is like the difference between B0 and B1? Oh no, wait, it's the B.
Yeah,
right?
it's the yep. B for 4.
Okay, a plot of residual supports using linear regression when is it A?
No, there should be no pattern.
The residuals look. Is it the residuals look normally distributed with 0 mean?
That's what we put. The book says that it just should have no pattern. So I don't know. I'm guessing that's what that means.
Oh, you haven't submitted it yet?
I have not, no. So, not sure.
Okay, and so for number 8, you checked everything but the third one?
Yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure. Oh my. Looks like 6, 7, and 8 are wrong.
Oh, you submitted it? Okay.
Don't know why. Huh. Because we said that the residuals are clearly not normal. And that's wrong for some reason. Weren't they like all over the place?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure.
And the residuals form a linear pattern's wrong. I must have did something wrong with that.
So, wait, what did you put for 6?
The residuals form a linear pattern.
Oh, yeah, we didn't put that.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
I thought it was supposed. Oh, what was it?
It was the first one.
Oh.
Yeah.
What'd you put for 7?